And this is our resident woodpecker, who's due to be feeding his young very soon. Hopefully I'll get a chance to film them. But works very hard. Every day he's at the nut feeder. And you should see him when he's feeding his fledglings. He looks absolutely shattered. It looks like he's been in a storm. All his plumage is all over the shop. But he's looking good today. And they've been coming here for a number of years now. So, I wonder how many we've got this year. Mind you, I'm saying he, it could be a she of course. Who knows? I hear the baby blue tits asking for their food. Up in that pear tree there. And the blue tits are being kept busy as well. It's good to see the woodpecker feeding well. I better top up those peanuts tonight as well.